Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a Zillow account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, we have sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile, and the search bar in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete Zillow account. So it is pretty simple, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, visit the Zillow website, of course, as I told you, and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, like this, and select account settings from the drop-down menu. We have account settings. Then click on your profile. So this first option here, as you can see, out of all of these options. And here we have personal info, sign in and security, manage account. In the manage account, the first thing is deactivate my account. So this will shut down your account, but retain your information. You won't be able to sign in again until your account is reactivated. So that's for to do and do that. So then you just need to click on deactivate account, click continue, say why you will deactivate the account, and then if there's not an error like I have now, you will have the opportunity to just go and you just have to say something, deactivate your account, and it will be deactivated, but there is an error at the moment. But that's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.